Today we'll be learning about breath. To start, we'll either be laying down on the ground, sitting on a lot of props, or sitting in a chair. Just finding a comfortable position where you can start to relax. Once you've found that position, you're going to close your eyes and start to listen to your breath. Start to listen to the inhales and the exhales. And start to notice if your breath is short or rapid. Start to notice if you're breathing through the nose or the mouth. When practicing, we like to take conscious, deep, long inhales and exhales. So let's try a conscious inhale and an exhale. Consciously inhaling and consciously exhaling. Just trying that a few more times, consciously inhaling and consciously exhaling. If that felt comfortable for you, you can join me in the next exercise. Remembering if your breath ever feels strained or you feel uncomfortable, to just return to your natural breath. When you're ready, closing your eyes, taking a deep cleansing exhale, and when you're ready, inhaling through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Inhaling through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Inhaling through the nose and exhale out the mouth. One last time, inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Just returning to your natural breath and just taking a moment to observe how you felt. Did you feel strain? Did you feel any tension? Remembering if you feel any strain, to just return to your natural breath or find a place that you can feel comfortable. If you'd like, joining me in the next exercise. Closing your eyes, exhale completely, and then inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose, inhaling through the nose, exhale through the nose. Last one, inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Again, just returning to your natural breath and just observing how you felt. If you'd like, joining me for the last exercise, where we're trying to make our breath smooth and even. Closing your eyes when you're ready. Exhale completely. And then inhaling for 3, 2, and 1. Exhale for 3, 2, and 1. Inhaling for 3, 2, and 1. Exhale for 3, 2, and 1. Last time. Inhale for 3, 2, and 1. Exhale for 3, 2, and 1. Returning to your natural breath. And again, just observing how you felt. Did it feel okay? You can always make the breath shorter, or you can extend it longer. Holding the breath. Breathing too rapidly.